My name is Loga Aishwarya Maraipai. My metric number is A18A0241. Now, I would like to explain about my assignment that analyzing a global company. The company I choose is Bella International Holdings. Now, I would like to start with the company details. The Bella International Holdings Limited with footwear, sportswear, handbags and accessory retailer. Bella International Holdings Limited is the #1 women's shoe retailer in China that with 22% of the domestic market share. Bella International Holdings headquarters in Hong Kong is the China's largest shoe retailer. Of its IPO in May 2007, the company had 3,828 retail outlets in 150 cities in China and in 35 in Hong Kong, Macau and also in US.
Next, the company background. The company was founded in 1978 by the current chairman Tang Hui. He is also the company's largest shareholder. He started Bella International in 1991 as a shoe wholesaler manufacturer, and the company expanded into retail in 2004. It attracted private equity investors including Morgan Stanley and domestic Chinese private equity manager CDH. On 23 May 2007, Bella went listed on the main board of Hong Kong Exchange and Clearing LDT HKEX. On 9th June 2010, Bella became a constituent of the Hang Seng Index and was recognized as blue chips. As a result, Bella is a well-established and financially sound company with high asset value. Then, the form of the business. Bella's products are mainly women's shoes and sportswear. It produces a lot more quantities of women's shoes than men's shoes due to the higher demand for women's shoes market. Bella also sells handbags. They are in mainly Italian style. Bella has 10 own brands such as Bella, Staccato, Milis, which sell its products. Bella helps distribution of sportswear including Adidas, Nike, Puma. Continue with criteria they use to choose a country. Bella International Holding Limited is not listed in Malaysia's retail company list. The main aim of place strategy is to efficiently produce and get goods into the market which is not in Malaysia. For producing goods, the firm can set factories in the developing countries such as China and Vietnam, which it can hire labor at a lower cost. Setting up the factories in their home country will be better because the transportation fee can be lower. There are some other shoe making factories there. They can enjoy external economics of scale which lower the average cost. They can buy inputs and use backup service at lower price. Last but not least, the opinion on the company's performance in future. Bella benefits significantly from traffic intelligence as it provides them with additional count data for their analytic system. They are able to generate full dimensions reports and analyze such as period to period and year to year comparisons. An additional advantage is that it enables the company to compare its different brands with each other. The highly valuable insights gained with this approach provide the company with a basis for many analyses such as where to open new shop or how to time promotions. The company now has the intelligence to determine conversions rates, effectiveness of marketing campaigns, and even support rent negotiation with landlords. That's all from me. Thank you, sir.